Try out the Roadrunner. What is it? Roadrunner 4x4 winch anchor. Just going to quickly butt in about the land anchor. So you buy it as a kit from Roadrunner Offroad. It's more for your winch trucks, but Territory needs every little bit of help it can get. So it's a bit overkill, but works good. You had to weld it together. I've done a couple of the welds. Mate down the road done all the good welds on it. He's a better welder than me. But we still hadn't finished it. That trip was a bit of an unplanned trip to the quarry. Still got to sharpen up the leading edge so it bites in better. But we took it along just for the hell of it. See how it went. Went good. Looked like the winch was smoking away, but it was just the condensation from all the water we'd been going through, so don't worry, it didn't cook the winch. But yeah, I'll finish it off. We'll go do some more testing and see how it goes in sand and some other mud. Quarry's quite hard rock, but that'll be a future video. Another hole. It's not all the way to the back too. I think it's that. I think that. Oh well. That's why I had no carpet still. And full send. There you go. Tested out the fucking shots. There's the extra travel. Still not enough for this one. Oh, what the hell? Fuck yeah! What the hell?
So, when are those mud tyres going on? Holy shit! I did not expect that. Got him. Yeah! Fuck yeah. She's not dropping black straight.
Oh no, it got a bit hot. Sent a bit hard. What is it? Extended shock?
Just a bit of coolant.
Hey. Hey, let's extend the shock, okay? Although there is a knock in the back end. So. Whoa, that steam.
Yeah, I'm going to put it down to the fan's not working. We can't seem to get the fan to kick in.